Just tell me the question, okay? uh, I'll just give you a hint. Maybe I'll not solve the whole the thing because अगर solve किया तो तुम लोग कुछ सोचोगे नहीं. Just question देने का यही meaning था कि you should think about it. Okay. So for the first question, what was the thing? I'll start with the first one. That is, find the x such that 3x plus 2 that is greater than 4 into x minus 1. Correct? Yes. Okay. So what is the thing you have to do? Do you know the trick? I think I have already discussed you the trick. What is the trick? Yes. You first have to do. Anyone? What is the trick? Whatever inside that mod, put that thing is equal to 0. Correct? That is, put 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and put x minus 1 equal to 0. You are having x equal to 1 and here we are having x equal to 2 by 3. Is that clear? Is the first step clear, everyone? To solve this type of question, first thing is whatever inside mod, put it 0. Then you need to break your real line into parts. So where is 1? 1 will be somewhere here, correct? And where will be 2 by 3? 2 by 3 will be somewhere here. Is that clear? Yes. Oh, it is plus, huh? Okay, okay. So it will be minus 2 by 3, correct? So minus 2 by 3, ठीक है? चलेगा अभी? ठीक है? Shall we go ahead? Okay. So let us see in this region. In this region, what can you say about 3x plus 2? Whether it is positive or negative. This is left side of this value. Correct? I have already talked about mod का function का rule क्या होता है. अगर left side रहा तो negative. Do you agree? So here this guy is negative. And what about this guy, x minus 1? This is also left side of 1, okay? So this is also negative. Do you agree? What about this guy? Here 3x plus 2. What can you say about 3x plus 2? Hello. What can you say? 3x plus 2 is right side of this minus 2 by 3. Correct? So this guy will be positive. Correct? And what about this? X minus is again left side of this one. So it will be again negative. And here this is right hand side of both the thing. That is, this is also positive, this is also positive. Do you agree, everyone? Yeah. Okay. So there are three cases. Case 1. What is case 1? Can somebody tell me? X is less than minus 2 by 3. Correct? Yes. So if your x is less than minus 2 by 3, what is the condition you are having? What is the condition you are having? That's this reason you are having 3x plus 2 is negative. So what will be 3x plus 2 mod of 3x plus 2? Can somebody tell me? Mod of a negative number. You already know the definition of mod x. Mod x equal to x when x is positive and it is minus x when x is negative. So in this case we are aware that this 3x plus 2 is negative number. So answer will be minus of 3x plus 2. Is that clear? And here also it will be minus of x minus 1. Perfect. Hello. Yes. So what is this thing? This is minus 3x minus 2, and this is 1 minus x. Can I substitute it in the equation? Just put the value in the equation. That is, what is the equation? 3x plus 2, that is greater than 4 times x minus 1. Oh, sorry, mod of x minus 1. Put the value. Mod of 3x plus 2, you know, this is minus 3x minus 2, and that is greater than 4 minus 4x. Is that okay? If I take minus 4x this side, that will be x, and this is greater than 4 plus 2, that is 6. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? So what are the condition you are having? You are having x is, let us write this also here, and x is less than minus 2 by 3. So what do you think the common reason would be? Yes. Hello, is that clear, everyone? Are you with me? I started first mod में zero put करके we saw negative कब रहेगा positive कब रहेगा, correct? So when we say this is negative, that means what? Mod of 3x plus 2, that will be minus of 3x plus 2, that is minus 3x minus 2, and mod of x minus 1, that will be minus of x minus 1, that is 1 minus x. Let me just put it in the equation. Just solve किया, minus 4x था, उसको उस साइड ले गया, तो 4x minus 3x is x, minus 2 is that side, that is 6. So what do you know about this? This guy is saying x का value is greater than 6. Greater than 6 means this guy is saying go there. And what about this guy? Minus 2 by 3. This guy is saying no, just see, that is 2 by 3. This guy is saying go there. What is the common region? And means what, do you know? That is common region. So what is the solution from here? Do you agree? Hello. Yeah, perfect. Shall we go ahead, move ahead to for the case 2? What will be the case 2? What will be the case 2? X is lying between 1 and minus 2 by 3. Is that clear? And you already know what is the thing. When your x is lying between 1 then what do you know about your 3x plus 2? That is the positive number. So if it is a positive number, then mod of 3x plus 2, that will be 3x plus 2. Correct? And what do you know about this x minus 1? That is a negative number. So in that case, x minus 1 will be 1 minus x. Is that clear? Do you agree? Yeah, perfect. What next? Let us put it in the equation. What is the equation? Mod of 3x plus 2, that is greater than mod of x minus 1. So this 3x plus 2 will be as it is 3x plus 2, and that is greater than 1 minus x. So this x goes there, then it will become 4x, and this is greater than 1 minus 2. Just check the calculation. Uh, then it is 4x is greater than minus 1. So x is greater than minus 1 by 4. Is that clear? Yeah, and what extra condition you are having, right? That also here, that is minus 2 by 3 is less than x is less than 1. Yeah, tell me. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. ये 4 है. Yes. So this will become 4 minus 4x. Correct? So I'll just erase this thing maybe. Yeah, if it was black, oh, that regular classroom, that was quite a good thing in that case. So this was 4, this was 4. Okay. अभी ठीक है. फिर माइनस 4x को इधर लेके आया तो क्या मिलेगा अपने को? विल बी हैविंग 7x, एंड दैट इज ग्रेटर देन 2. इज दैट क्लियर? जस्ट चेक ऑल द स्टेप एवरीवन. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? Yeah. So what do you know about x? X is greater than 2 by 7. And what extra you are having this also? So let us put and here and put that also. That is minus 2 by 3 less than x less than 1. So put a straight line here. When you're here, you want to see this type of question, then put a straight line. What do you think? 2 by 7, 1 पहले place देते. Minus 2 by 3 will be here. 1 will be somewhere here. Correct? And 2 by 7 will be somewhere here. Is that clear? So this guy is telling me go this side. Correct? And what this guy is saying, it is between this and this. Correct? Something like that. So what is the common region? Do you agree? So what is the answer? Can somebody tell me? X is lying between 2 by 7 and 1. This is your final answer. Is that clear? Okay. Can you quickly do case 3? What is case 3? Yeah, x is no. You are not taking equal to for now. We are just taking inequality first. We are breaking in the three part. Then in the last we will be putting the values 1 and minus 2 वैसे जो भी है ठीक है. So what is the next one? That is x is greater than 1. So if you take x is greater than 1, what do you know about 3x minus 2? Mod of 3x minus 2 and mod of 1 minus x. I have already stated in the diagram. Oh sorry, 3x plus 2 है. So 3x plus 2, it is also positive, it is also positive. 3x plus 2 और ये x minus 1 है ना. Correct? Is the question clear? Okay. So both are positive means what? This is also 3x plus 2, this is x minus 1. Correct? Okay, so let us put it in the equation. What is the equation? 3x plus 2 is greater than ही है ना क्वेश्चन में 4 times x minus 1. So mod का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? That is this is 3x plus 2, this is 4 into x minus 1. So that is 3x plus 2, that is greater than 4x minus 4. So 3x उधर गया तो this is x and 6. Is that clear? Yeah. And what extra? And x is greater than 1. So what do you see? What is the condition you see? You put 1 here and put 6 here. What this guy is saying? Perfect, very nice. This guy is saying go here. And what about this guy? This guy is saying go there. So the answer is in between. That is x lying between 1 to 6. Perfect. Correct? So in this case you have got 2 by 7 is less than x is less than 1, and here you are having 1 is less than x is less than 6. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to put at the end points क्या problem है. ठीक है. If I take it together, what about at x equal to 1? Can you just quickly see? If I put x equal to 1 here, then what will be this? This will be phi and this will be 0. So this is satisfying, na? Phi is greater than 0. That is a true value, correct? So x is 1 included in the system. Do you agree? Yes. Put x equal to 1. You see that x is that is mod of 3x plus 2, that is greater than 4 into x minus 1. This was the equation. You can put it in case also. Case 4 बोल दो या in between अगर तुमको देना था वो भी चलेगा, no issue. ठीक है. What will be this? If I put x equal to 1, this is satisfying. Phi is greater than 0. That is true. So that means x equal to 1 is also a solution for the equation. ठीक है. And what will be my case phi? Yeah. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक 2/7, सी अभी देखो अपने पास बाकी सबसे आंसर क्या क्या मिला पहले लिखते हैं. केस 1 से कुछ नहीं मिला. सॉरी. हाँ, फ्रॉम केस 1 नो सोल्यूशन. फ्रॉम केस 2, what was the solution from case 2? 2/7 is less than x is less than 1. 2/7 is less than x is less than 1. And from case 3 you have got that is 1 is less than x is less than 6, I think. Yes. And case 4, this is saying x equal to 1. So you have to take union of all the thing. What do you mean by union of all the thing? Yes. Can somebody tell me what will be the union? You can draw it also. This guy is saying your value is between 2/7 and 1. So I can put it 2/7, 1, and here 6. Okay. So this guy is saying it is between 2/7 and 1. So up to here. Correct? And this guy is sitting 1 to 6. And you are saying 1 is also included in the system. So can I directly say it is 2/7 is less than x is less than 6? Can I say this? Do you agree, everyone? Yes. Just check it. Are we missing anything? I think we are done, na? So what is the answer? 2/7, that is 2/7. X belongs to 2 by open interval 2/7 comma 6. Perfect. You know about open interval and closed interval, na? We'll be coming in detail about this open interval and closed interval. Till now, this is our answer. Is that okay? Do you see how smoothly we did? Yeah. Okay. So एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. अभी बोलो कौन सा? You want second one also? Do you want second one also? Before doing to second one, I should do the third one. That will be quite easy for you. Second one, I will give you an exercise for you. That is assignment to hai hi wo. I'll do the third one. You try to do the same thing with the second one also. Is that okay? Okay. Do you know some property of modulus? Mod of x upon y? Anyone? I think last property, seventh or eighth property. Do you remember? Oh, perfect. Very nice. This is what I wanted. So this will be mod of x plus 1 upon mod of x plus 5, that is less than 1. Is that okay? Is that okay? And in the question they are saying x is not equal to minus 5. So your x is not equal to minus 5. Correct? So can I multiply both the side by x mod of x plus 5? Means can I write it like this? X plus 1 is less than mod of x plus 5. Can I write it like this? Yeah? Why can I do that? Because this term is non-zero. And this is the positive number. Positive number है तो inequality भी change नहीं होएगा. Do you see that? Mod of लिया ना तो that is a positive number. Correct? Otherwise I have to take two cases. अगर सुनो, अगर तुमको इधर ही से सॉल्व करना है तो तुमको इधर ही से you can take two cases. Case 1. Case 1 is when do you say that दो number का division is a positive number. Same happens with multiplication. Okay. When do we say product of two number is a positive number? Yeah, when both are negative or both are positive, no, that is also a case. Correct? Yes. So you already know this guy is positive, so you can multiply. That will make your life easy little bit, maybe. Now can you do as we are doing in the previous thing? Can you do it after this? Yes, what will you do? What is the first step? Divide the real line in the interval, put this x plus 1 equal to 0 and put this x plus 5 equal to 0. That is, you are having x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 5. So what is your real line? Is breaking into minus 1 and here it is minus 5. So when you are having left to minus 1, both the guy is negative. That is, x plus 1 is negative and x plus 5 is also negative. Is that clear? When you are having right to minus 1, then your x plus 1 is positive. Do you agree? And what about this x minus 5? It is again left to minus 5. So this is negative. Do you agree? Yes? Yes, everyone? Can you do it now? In the three cases, you have to break it. Maybe you can also assign five cases. First one is this is less than 1. Second one at x equal to minus 1 also. Third one at x equal to minus 5. And in this interval. Fourth one x raised to minus 5 and like that. Mostly I used to consider only three cases and last में ये values put करके we used to see and go ahead. Is that okay? Can you do that? Hello. Yeah. Now let us see about question number 2. That is mod of x. हाँ हाँ ओ सॉरी. यस 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 यू आर करेक्ट. -5 यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, -1 यहाँ पे ना. करेक्ट. So this is negative, this is true. And what about this? This will be positive here and this is again negative, correct? And what about this both? Is it correct now? Yes. Okay, perfect. So do you understand the trick? Yeah. Okay. What about this question? Can you similarly think of it? What is the first step? What should I do? Can I write it as x upon x plus 1? It is greater than x upon x plus 1. Can I see that? And in the question it is given x is not equal to -1. Okay. Can I see that? Yes. Hello. Okay. What next? What should I do next? You know that this guy is positive number. You can multiply it both the side. Can you do that? So that is mod x, it will be greater than x into mod of x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Do not cancel these two things. They are not same. Do you agree? Yeah. Okay, what next? What should I do? We already know how to do this type of question when you are having two mod and in between you are having inequalities. X equal to 0 and x equal to -1. Do you agree? You have to focus only on the mod terms. So there are two mod terms. One is mod x and one is mod of x plus 1. X equal to 0. And is that okay? Interval -1 is here and 0 is here. Somewhere here. Okay. What can you say? यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? X is negative. यहाँ पे x positive. X positive. And what about x plus 1? Hey, the here also negative ना. x मतलब क्या? 0 के लेफ्ट साइड ना. करेक्ट. हेलो. Do you agree? 0 के left side, yeah. And what about this guy? X plus 1 is negative. And what about this? Positive and positive. correct, because it is right of -1. Okay, what is case 1? What is case 1? When x is less than -1, correct? What do you know about mod x? And what do you know about mod of x plus 1? Both are negative, na? So it will become minus x and it will become minus of x plus 1. Do you agree? Yes. Can you do that? Can you complete it now? Similarly, you just have to now put it in the equation. What is the equation? That is, at the place of mod x you have to put minus x, and that is greater than equal to x into, at the place of x plus 1 you have to put minus of x plus 1, and divide by it is x plus 1. So x plus 1 cancel. It is minus x is greater than minus x. Is it true? Do you agree minus x is greater than minus x? Is it a true statement? Hmm. When this is true? When you put x equal to 0, even then also it is not true. This is only strictly greater than. If it was this, then it was okay. Do you agree? But this is not given, correct? Yes. Okay, perfect. Similarly, case 2, case 3, can you do that? Just I want you to work on this thing. Try working with the cases. Maybe I'll go with the next question. We are having very less time. I am trying to do all the type of question with you. So if you are having this type of question, okay, what will you do? That is x square is minus 3x minus 4 is greater than. Is that clear? First step. What next? What next? Do you know something about this quadratic? Can I factorize it? Multiplication should be minus 4, addition should be minus 3. What should I do? Perfect, good. And this is minus 4 and that is greater than. What about this? If you take x outside, this is x minus 4, and if I take plus 1 outside, this is x minus 4, that is greater than 0. So you are having x minus 4 into x plus 1 is positive. Okay, what can you say now? You are having product of two number is positive. There are two cases, case 1 and case 2. Can you tell me what is case 1? Is that you are having product of two number is positive. Yeah, perfect. Both are positive or both are negative. That is case 1 is x minus 4 is positive and x plus 1 is also positive. See, this and word is important here. When you are having cases, that means you are having or. Correct? For or you used to use union. For and it is intersection. These are important logical connectivities. And what about this? Both are negative. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, what about this? This is saying x is greater than 4 and x is greater than minus 1. Let us draw. Whenever you are having something like that, let us draw. So where is minus 1 and where is 4? What this guy is saying? Go here. Perfect. Do you agree? Hello. Yeah, what this guy is saying? Go here, na? Correct? So what is the final answer from there? What is the common region? What is the common and means what? Common region. So what is the answer? X is greater than 4 is the final answer. Do you agree everyone? What about in this case? X is less than 4 and this is saying x is less than minus 1. So let us draw minus 1 here and 4 here. Okay. What this guy is saying? Go here, and what this guy is saying, go here. Correct. What is the common? And means what? Common. What is the common thing? That is x is less than minus 1. Do you agree? So what is the final answer? Union of both the thing. Union means what? Combining both the thing. So what do you think, what will be my answer? From case 1 you got x is greater than 4. From case 2 you got x is less than minus 1. Correct. Okay, so let me just draw. Where is your minus 1? Here it is your 4. So this is minus 1, this is 4. This guy is saying go here, this guy is saying go here. Correct. So here this is cases. Okay, so you need to take union. So what will be your final x? Can you tell me? माइनस वन ये कहाँ तक जाएगा? दैट इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू माइनस वन ना. Union 4 to infinity. Do you agree? Think about it. Do you agree, everyone? Hello. Yeah, perfect. Good. So this is how I used to solve this type of question. Okay. I'll just give you a hint of question. हाँ बोलो. Completing का फिर क्या किया तूने उसके बाद? No, 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 no. Okay, दोनों साइड स्क्वायर रूट निकाला, लेकिन you don't know about the term x. See, uh, if you are given a is less than b और अगर ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है, then you can do that कि दोनों साइड रूट ले लिया, then it is true. Perfect. If you are aware कि ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है. करेक्ट. दोनों एक ही साइड है तो चलेगा. इवन आई थिंक एक मैंने थ्योरम प्रूफ किया है इसका वाला. करेक्ट. बट इन दैट कंप्लीटिंग मेथड यू डोंट नो अबाउट योर एक्स, when this is positive, when this is negative. Do you agree? If you are having a is less than 0 is less than b, then will this completing square method will work? Taking square root, will it work? Because this guy is negative, and this is whether negative or positive, it depends on your value of x. Correct. So this is the best way to handle. So I will suggest everyone to stick to this rule only. This is the best way to work with that type of question. You are making it difficult if you are making it as complete square and taking square root, because you don't know your value. You're not taking when x is positive, when x is negative, you're not taking that condition. You're directly taking the square root, and that is not true. Do you agree? Yeah. Okay. So 11:32. What is the timing we are having? We don't have time, I think, na? Maybe. Try other questions. Like I will just quickly tell you about one question. When you are having 1 upon x is less than x, okay? So what will you do? That is question number 6. Can somebody just quickly, in 1 minute, we will finish it off. What should I do? X is non-zero. Do you agree? X cannot be 0. Yes, anyone? What is your logic? What should I do? Should I multiply both the side by x? Okay, you were saying that I should write this is less than x square. Is that true? This is what everyone, do you agree? अरे हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलो. Do you agree with this? Yeah, but this is wrong thing. सी अभी हम लोग ने पढ़ाई किस लिए किया, ये सब अपना लॉजिक. सी तुम लोग को अभी केसेस देना है. यू डोंट नो अबाउट दिस एक्स, वेदर दिस इज एक्स इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. करेक्ट. इफ दिस एक्स इज पॉजिटिव देन दैट इज ट्रू कि मल्टीप्लाई किया बोथ द साइड, देन दिस इज ट्रू. करेक्ट. एंड इफ योर x is negative, then what? Then if you multiply both the side by x, since it is a negative number, that inequality will change. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? So there is the issue. You should not directly multiply both the thing unless and until you are aware with the value x. So it is better to work with cases. Case 1, if you take x is positive, then you are having this. Case 2, if your x is negative, then this. Is that okay? Yeah, good. Now how to handle this guy? अभी ठीक है, वो तो ठीक है, अभी इसको क्या करें? Can I write it as x square minus 1 is positive? And here also can I write it as x square minus 1 is less than 0? Can I say that? केस 2 में यहाँ y. See, you are not understanding. I am not multiplying minus or anything. I am just thinking about this x. X is negative. Okay. If your x is negative, then if I multiply both the sign, so here you are multiplying x and here also you are multiplying x. Correct. Here there is not mod or something. Mod नहीं है तो mod. Wait, I will give you one example. See, okay. If you take x equal to minus 1 or minus 2, let me say. If you are having x equal to minus 2, what you will see? This equation will be 1 upon minus 2, and that is equal to, that is less than minus 2. Do you agree? If I multiply both the side by minus 2, what you will be having? Minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon minus 2, and this less than will become greater than, and this is minus 2 ka square. Do you agree? Do you see कहीं पे माइनस आ रहा है क्या? You are having 1 is greater than minus 2 का square. Minus 2 का square that is same as x square. 1 is greater than x square. Do you see? यही मैंने लिखा था यहाँ पे. You are not having any minus there. Correct? Okay. Now my focus is on this guy. How to tackle this thing? Can somebody quickly? Fast, we don't have that much time. Just quickly, please. Yes, perfect. That is x minus 1, x plus 1. Very nice. Now what next? Again, two cases. Do you agree? Product of two number is positive. What are the cases? Either both are positive or both are negative. Correct? And what about this one? This one also? Same thing. Again, two cases. Do you agree? Yes? Yeah. Can you complete it now? Similarly, question number 7 is also there. Okay. Now I think you may able to complete that assignment problem. Is that okay?